Hello coders, welcome to another How to Code Well Symfony tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a nifty trick regarding Symfony 7.3 and how to manipulate strings so they're Pascal case. Now you could be thinking, well, surely Laravel has all the tricks in the trade for converting and manipulating strings, but Symfony has a few up their sleeve as well. So what we're going to do is use the function Symfony component string and U. This is a unicoded string. And what we're going to start with in the index method here is a variable called str, which is our string, and we're going to have the value of a very messy string that we want to convert into Pascal case. For those that don't know what Pascal case is, it is essentially camel case and title case at the same time. So for example, we would have test apples, if I spell that right, apples, oranges, and pears. So notice that we don't have any colons, we don't have any spaces, we don't have any hyphens, and we don't have any underscores. And at the start of every word, there is a capital letter. So we've got capital T, capital A, capital O, capital P for pears, where we have lowercase pears here. And we've got this space, this underscore, that will be removed, and then this should be converted to be uppercase. Okay, so how do we do this using the U function in Symfony? Well, before Symfony 7.3, we would use the U function, passing in the string that we want to convert, and we would have to put it through two different conversions. The first one would be camel, and the second one would be title. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate that this works is return a JSON response. And that JSON response will have before 7.3, and the value there will be the value of that string that we've just converted. And then what I'm going to do is demonstrate how to do this using the new features of 7.3. But first, let's go to the browser and make sure that we've got this JSON response. So here we've got the key before 7.3, and its value is test apples, oranges, and pears, all in our new Pascal case. But as I've mentioned, we've had to go through camel and then title conversions to convert it to this. In Symfony 7.3, we now have a new way of doing this. I'm going to create a new variable called in 7.3, and this time we're going to use the U function, passing in str as we've did before, but we're going to use the new U method, which is Pascal. Pascal will do all the bits and pieces that we previously did for us. So again, I'm going to create a new item in this JSON response. We're going to say in 7.3, and that is the value of that new string that we've converted. And we should have two strings that are the same. So test apples, oranges, and pears, test apples, oranges, and pears, before 7.3 and in 7.3. It's these little additions and improvements to Symfony that really makes the Symfony application development much easier to use. We no longer have to go through different ways of converting things. We can just use the Pascal method. If you found this tutorial helpful or useful, do let me know. Put your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let me know if there's other tutorials that you want to see. If you want to get access to this code repository, then do consider becoming a Patreon or a YouTube member. I'll also do a write-up of this on the howtocodewell.net website. Thank you ever so much for watching. Happy coding, everyone. Remember to like and subscribe and do all of that good stuff. Happy coding. Cheers. Bye-bye.